YouTube, how can NFTs be used to increase growth, revenue, and profits for your startup, your NFT project, or your personal brand? My name is Leon Aboud. I'm the founder of NFT marketing agency Unfungible.xyz, and I am obsessed with Web3 and NFT adoption. If you are as well, make sure you follow me on Twitter at HeyThisIsLeon and subscribe to this channel so you can keep learning on how you can build the future of Web3. In today's video, we are going to be looking at one potential use case. More specifically, we are going to be looking at the latest NFT experiment that NFT influencer named NFT God is going to be releasing over the coming weeks. And for those of you who don't know, NFT God is pretty much one of the biggest NFT influencers in the space. According to NFT Inspect, he's ranked number 9 global profile in the NFT space and number 4 on Ethereum specifically. What that means, NFT Inspect is basically a tool that ranks profiles in the NFT space depending on their global reach, depending on their reputation, depending on multiple factors. NFT God definitely has earned his space as one of the main figures in the space. And he pretty much built his personal brand around creating daily content around personal growth, technology, investing, and discussing basically his journey of how he built NFT God into reaching 87K followers. And the way NFT God monetizes his audience is that he has a newsletter called the 1% Better newsletter. And as part of the newsletter, he has a subscription where with $5 a month, you can access exclusive behind the scene content. And one thing very interesting that actually inspired me to make this video is NFT God announced that he's going to be launching an NFT collection in 2 weeks. But what sparked my curiosity is how he intends on using NFTs to increase growth, revenue, and loyalty within his ecosystem. So far, we are all on the same page. NFT God makes his money by selling subscription to his newsletter. And part of his newsletter, he has about 15,000 subscribers and about 300 paying members, as he mentioned right here on his newsletter. So with 300 plus content creators, founders, and overall career people to get 1% better every day. If we do the math, that's about 300 people times 5, so $5 a month. That's about 1.5K a month. And what he's doing basically is launching an NFT specifically for that community. So if we are to read right here in the latest announcement he made, that paragraph right here. So I'm launching my first NFT collection in 2 weeks. It is a rewards collection for content creators. Every week in 2023, I will mint one community created NFT and reward it for free to someone in the 1% club who has created a quality piece of content. It is create to earn. You create a content and you win a super limited NFT. It is just available to the 1% club. So through his NFT God aims to incentivize people within his ecosystem to engage more. And what sparked my curiosity is that instead of launching like a 10K profile picture collection, which NFT God could have totally pulled off, he decided to go with a different business model. And if successful, this business model could pretty much be applied to every single industry and business that depends on customer loyalty. Think about every food and beverage company, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Starbucks. Think about all the brands that the more loyal their clients are, the more dollar signs that equals to. So for us to understand why I say this and why I think this could be one potential use case, one potential product market fit for NFTs, we need to understand what are the 3 different ways a company can increase revenue. And this is one I myself have experimented, having done business in Web 2 and Web 3. I've had experiments with all 3. The first one is for you to make people pay more for your products. Pretty obvious. People want to come in for a coffee. You know what? You want almond milk instead of regular milk. It's going to be an extra $1. Get them to pay more for the same product. Number 2 is getting people to pay more often. And this is something that was perfected by the Web 2 industry, especially with the subscription model. So Google, with Google Drive, for example, instead of you going and buying a USB stick for $30, they hook you up with cloud storage so you can pay, instead of paying $3 for that USB stick, you pay $3 per month. But then what's gonna happen is you're gonna spend years and years with them. So get them, number 2, get them to pay more often. And the third thing is to get them to buy more things. So this is something, for example, Apple has perfected. You know what would go great with a Mac? It would be an iPad. And you know what else? An Apple Watch. Oh, what about some AirPods? So having adjacent products to your main products that people can buy. So those are the 3 ways, really trying to simplify it. So number 1, get them to pay more expensive. Number 2, get them to pay more often. Or number 3, get them to buy more things. And with NFT God's collection, really out of those three, the one that he is trying to tap into is the second one, which is get them to buy more often. Because in NFT God's case, having people subscribed within his newsletter for a longer period of time equals, more long-term value per user. The last thing you want with a subscription model is have people churn on the first month, basically cancel their membership on the first month. You want people to become lifetime members within your ecosystem. And basically introducing NFTs where you are pretty much gamifying the subscription model. You're gamifying the experience for people. And you're actually incentivizing them to participate within the ecosystem, because buyers that are not participants basically will cancel. So using NFTs to increase customer participation and loyalty is one of the tools NFT God is looking to deploy in his business to increase basic customer loyalty, revenue, and growth within his ecosystem. So this is a perfect example how NFTs can be used beyond just selling them upfront to generate revenue. How can you in your business, in your startup, in your personal brand, use NFTs to basically create superfans, to create people that are going to last with you, that are going to support you for longer periods of time? Try to find a way to gamify the experience within your ecosystem, and you will basically be able to unlock longer lifetime value from your clients. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, helps the channel grow. And if you want to learn how you can use NFTs to change the world and build the future of the internet and Web3, I'm going to be linking another video here that I think is going to help you on your journey of building a better Web3. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you soon.